Hi, so in this video I'll show you a nice application which will give you a sneak peek into the files you have. So let me show you this. So for example, I'm clicking on this file and then press my spacebar. It gives me a preview of it, and then I press the spacebar, it's gone again. Then I press the next file, press a spacebar, it came, gone. So any kind of file this will give you. Let me create a new text document, test. Inside this, let me add some text, save it, close. Now I press tab, it gives me a preview of it. So anything you put in here and press spacebar, it will give you a preview of it. So now how to get this? This is done through an application called Quick Look. It is here. It is available in Microsoft Store as well. Search for Quick Look because I've already installed. It's coming up here, and open this one, the first one with the icon. Look for the icon, and this is developed by Party Zoo, and I believe this is an open source software, and you can go to the open source page, his GitHub page, to view more about this project. Now Quick Look, and here you will find install this. As I said, I've already installed this. So it can give you the preview of anything, if it is a video file, text files, image files, like that, almost anything. So in one quick look you can see what is inside the file. So this is a very useful application, and it's very lightweight as well, so you can go ahead and try this out yourself. Yeah, that's the video. Hope this was useful. Thank you. See you in another one.